In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize pages in HubSpot. To do that, first head right here into your content, then choose between website pages and landing pages. I'll head over and choose website pages right there. Now to create the page, click on this create website page. Now choose right here a template that you wish to actually use. You can also start with a blank page if you want. Now let's head over and choose right here the page. I'll just choose right here pricing. Click on use. Now once you have clicked on this, it will redirect you to the content page. So just wait for this to load out and you can proceed to add in here elements that you wish to use. Now proceed to add right here some text, images, and you can just use this plus icon in order to drag and drop some modules that you wish to add onto your page. You can customize the content and then preview and publish this page. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, comment them down. If you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.